Sidemen, we're gonna just zigzag right now. Hide and see. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. You know, like, comment, subscribe, do all of that. Yeah, social media pop. We didn't tell them what they was hiding on, bro. It's the jumbo jet, man.
I don't know how to fucking.
Nah, yeah, where are they?
You ever been on a jet?
On a, nah. Wait, like a commercial jet? Nah. I don't think, nah. Been on a plane. The jet look crazy.
Nah. What offer this? Let's fucking do this.
Let's get it, man.
Jumbo 747 plane!
Yay! Jumbo plane, yeah?
Yeah, I kind of bottled that one. However, I've added a twist
they're on
today.
An airfield right now.
We have a prize for the last person to get found. By me, who's seeking. The person wins Bazinga's newly refurbished GTR.
No! Nigga gave away his GTR?
Pink slips, yo, you like pink slips?
upset.
Harry invented the
Oh.
pink slip.
Nah, I would've cried.
In the mail, go back to my roots.
Where's he going?
You mean, nigga?
Well, Ethan, you better get found last. That's all I'm saying.
I'm getting a new car today, bro.
Oh, bro, I can't wait to crash it.
I'm gonna give you guys a fair few minutes to explore the plane first.
Get comfy.
Yeah, but that time starts now.
Alright.
Shit. Oh, okay.
Adios.
Alright.
Alright, well.
And just have a bit of fun.
What's a fair few minutes? I don't know.
3, 4.
That could be 2. Boys, where are we flying?
Where are we
Where are
flying?
we taking the jet?
Shaking the stairs,
Yo, I'm just saying, yo, Air Canada, you nice Drake with his jet.
Yo,
British Airways,
shout us.
what are you saying? We could get a nice little Sidemen logo down here.
Snakes on the plane! I'm sick of this motherfucking snake.
I saw that
on
movie.
this motherfucking plane.
Right, okay.
Ah, the smell. The smell.
It has been 30 seconds. The boys are still faffing around by the looks of it.
It does smell musty. Odds on you licking that pillow.
No, bro.
Odds.
Wait, what?
Give me odds. Give me odds. Though. Give me odds.
Wait, I'll give you odds. 18. This pillow.
18. 18 to lick that pillow.
Yeah, 18.
Okay.
Go on.
Alright.
I'm not gonna lie, that's not what I wanted to do. Hashtag goals. Imagine flying a plane.
3, 2, 1, 12.
Reverse?
Reverse.
17. Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Why have I done this? Why have I done this? 3, 2, 1,
8.
9. Oh!
Flip it back.
No, I'm gone. We're playing hide and seek. What are we doing? We're playing lick the pillow.
Look it back.
Let's see what we're working with. So there's upstairs there.
Oh my god! I'm flying a plane! I'm flying a plane!
It's quite hard to hide in that plane, you know. It's a big boy, but there's actually not a lot of like easy hiding spots. I'm just about to hear him giggling though.
Right, I'm in a cupboard. I think he might open it. I'm not sure.
I need a co-pilot, please.
Man, like.
Wait.
I ain't never flew a plane before. Hey, leave my spot alone.
Oh, right.
Oh, you got nice cozy seats and everything. When has everyone just gone upstairs?
You're my co-pilot. You have to sit down and you have to pull the buttons. Don't press the buttons.
I drove Harry here. Now he wants to take my car. This motherfucker.
I'm gonna give him longer. I feel like I can give him all the time in the world. It's gonna be just as easy to find them. If I don't find everyone within 10-15 minutes, I'm actually a fraud at hide and seek, so.
Hello and welcome to our flight today. We are flying to Paris.
Paris? I ain't got the route to Paris. Comfortable. Not here.
Sam, stop pressing buttons.
Don't
That did
press
something.
Don't
That
press
did made a noise.
Did you see it?
What did you do?
Fuse probably.
The flash.
Sam, someone's gonna get electrocuted in here. I'm out.
JJ, we have a
Bro,
photographer behind us, bro.
Oh.
Capacity 90.7 kilos. It's a good job that JJ isn't in there. 90 kilos. That's big.
Oh.
I'm sweating already.
I wonder where you are, Toby.
Huh?
Got you.
Right, have fun, Josh. I hope you work it out.
Seeker.
Oh, what, you got a little toilet?
Oh, yeah.
Occupado.
So they've taken the lock off, they've deactivated the lock. Is it not up here? You slide it.
I found my spot, alright, guys.
Do it now!
Oh.
I don't know where to fucking hide.
Just lie down.
Oh, wait!
Lie down, bro.
It's there,
Get
it's
off
here.
fire.
He's gonna come
Yo!
up here first.
Oi, Toby's won. He's locked in the toilet, he's won.
No way.
That plan.
Well, there was nowhere to hide.
I believe that is enough time. I'm coming for him. Right. What's the saying? Ready or not? Here I come!
What about behind the carpet? I put the carpet behind you.
Bro, look at it on KSI.
Yeah, get in that spot.
I can't be on the floor.
You can. I know you're KSI. You can be on the
I'm
floor.
not gonna hide on the floor.
Well, you're too good for that.
I'm hiding in first class.
Oh, wait. Fuck. This could work.
Into my spot I go. There's a door in here for the toilets. But the other side.
Is every single person upstairs?
Yeah, Josh is flying the plane.
I think I'm gonna go here.
Just behind the freestanding chairs. The chairs that are blocking the escape door. That
Hey, well, there's gotta be
bombed
the-
death.
Very safe.
I'm not going to go up the front stairs because I think that's what they think I'm going to do. Instead, I'm going to go up the back, try and weed them out.
They don't open, Vic.
There's only a couple
Oh!
places niggas could
You found one.
really like.
Okay, that's got stuff in it. We need to find an empty one, and I'm in.
I'll
in
be
there.
honest.
This
I
might be
think
the
at this
easiest
point,
one. I'm not gonna
We
lie.
should figure out that they're not empty.
Might just hide here, you know? If I just...
See
Go
niggas just
down
taking
like this.
seats.
You might not be able to see me.
Josh,
Yeah.
are you hiding here?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Simon, I found one. Simon, come here.
Wait. For real? Oh my god.
Okay, nice.
Niggas really about to go in there.
Nice, I have...
He's a demon.
What? 5 minutes to chill? Nice.
You know when you like put a ferret down a hole and it like gets the rabbits out by like flushing them out? That's what I'm doing in this plane. I don't have a good analogy, but you know what I mean. Fam, what have I done?
Oh, he's Gucci.
Okay, shut me in.
Unless that nigga like really lift up every one of them shits, I don't think he about to find them. Nah, yeah, Vic would. It's over with. Vic would.
My legs are hurting.
Oh shit. Josh is coming.
Why do I find the most uncomfortable hiding spots? It's hot, humid,
Yeah, bro, the last one that
I
nigga
may be
was
running out
basking.
of oxygen.
I'm gonna do a sweep first and see if anyone jumps out at me. And if they don't, then I'm gonna go back and we'll look a bit closer.
I can't believe I drove him here and he wants to give away my car. I got it back this morning.
The bloody cameraman has made me jump. I'm not gonna lie, I thought someone would have jumped out at me earlier.
Wow.
Okay. Here, there's gotta be. Okay, right, there's someone in here, there's gotta be. No, that's. Oh, look at this! It's pretty cool. Safety information in case we crash from probably about 1950, whenever this plane was commissioned.
1985.
Was it 1985? Was that recent? Fair enough. Alright. So either I'm an idiot or everyone's upstairs. No. The toilet someone's got. Oh, hang on a minute. You're telling me no one hid in there? That's such a bait hiding spot. Well, that's what probably would have hidden it, to be fair, but
Yeah.
okay. This door is open.
No way.
These are locked.
No way.
I'm actually baffed, you know? I'm actually baffed. I thought it'd be way easier than this. Alright. In the toilet, maybe? No. Okay, I'm losing hope at this point.
You're
Here.
in the fucking front.
No.
Yes.
Okay, right. Upstairs. They've got to all be upstairs then.
About to get
They have
caught.
to all be upstairs.
He about to get caught.
They have to be.
Niggas fucking dummy.
I'm gonna go up there, they're all gonna be sat together, just laugh. Oh, what for fuck's sake? Hello, mate. Did you, bro? For fuck's sake, man.
You have to have
Am I
seen
the
this
first
coming.
one?
Yeah, of course you're the first one, bro. Of course you're the first one. If I came through the back as well, if I come through the front and I found you in 10 seconds.
Yeah, bro.
JJ in first class. He's just found JJ.
Nigga.
At least I found someone.
Alright, well then.
Well, you got to join the hunt now. Well, do you
Yeah.
know? Do you know where people are or not?
Pretty much.
Okay, well, don't tell me that, otherwise this is gonna be far too easy.
Genuinely worried that I might suffocate in this box. See, Vic is smart. Vic thinks about things like suffocation. I don't.
Niggas in the same predicament as you.
Someone will be up here. There's nowhere no one's hiding upstairs, so there's gonna be a human somewhere.
How am I always the first?
Bro, you sat in a seat.
Simon, you good, fam?
Yeah, bruh.
This guy's a moron.
I think you won.
Come out, wherever you are. Is anyone hiding? Hello?
It's open.
Anyone here?
Oh, you got JJ with him?
Hmm.
Oh, hang on. Hang on. This toilet says occupied, which means you can only activate that from inside the toilet, I believe.
Okay.
So if I'm not mistaken. Hello! Wait, is that a person? I see a oh, it is a person. Hello, Simon. Oh, it's Josh! I couldn't even see.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, it's dark in there. I don't like it in there.
Hey, Josh.
Oh, it's hot and sweaty in there. How do you find my door?
Bro, it's a tricky one to find. I thought it was Simon, bro.
You didn't even know it was there. You thought, is that a person?
I saw like a sort of face, but it's hard to tell. Oh,
How
well.
did you... Wait, it's not.
It said occupied.
You beat me out. It says occupied.
Yeah.
Why the fuck did it say occupied? I was going to try and lock it for you.
I'm sorry.
That doesn't work.
That doesn't work. I think you're lying to me. I think you're lying to me.
I'll try it.
I can see the light of someone's camera in there. One sec, bro. Look. Have they turned it? There's a Donny in here. There's a Donny.
Yo, nice.
Toby, bro, what are you doing?
I got that good vision.
In there.
There's
There's a Donny in there.
You can't open it. You see, look. You can't. It doesn't work, guys.
You're pulling it though.
I am. Look. I'll pull. See, that doesn't work.
Why
Bro, I know there's a man in
It's
there.
a weird pull. Just pull it. Look.
Bro, it's not working. Yeah, bro, guys, let's just leave it. Let's just go.
Well, you know what? If I was in there, I know you're in there.
There's
But
no,
you
look,
beat me this time.
if there's someone in there, say something. Okay, I know what's gonna work. Marco! There's no one in there.
Okay. Alright.
Yeah.
Cool.
There's
There's no one in there.
Let's move on.
Josh, do you know who people are, or are you
No.
just curious?
I'm in my little dark room. That's one full of lights.
Aha.
Have you checked the
cockpit? Yeah.
Nah,
Have you
Toby.
checked the cockpit? What bro? Good.
Cock.
I'm so finished. JJ saying he's so good. They literally nearly ripped the door off the hinges.
I think I know where Vic is.
I know-
But we,
I
have
want a
to, we
GTR.
might have to check, like, every single one.
Is you gonna tell me he's in the overhead lockers or something?
Yes.
Where have you checked so far?
I've walked the whole plane, bro. I can't check every one of these, man. There's no way.
walked the whole
I
thing.
think we're gonna have to.
There's no way he fits in there, right?
I mean, it's Vic. He can fit anywhere.
Fuck's sake, JJ. For fuck's sake. So does my toilet just not bait me out then? This one says occupied as well. So why did that not bait me out?
No.
Vicky! Vicky!
Bro, I've opened the boot.
Vicky!
There's no way someone would lock themselves in there, because that's like genuinely like a...
Vicky!
I thought someone would be in there. That seems an obvious one. Yeah, can you be on Vic hunting duty?
Yeah,
please?
sure.
Why are you hunting for Vic only?
Vicky!
Go on then, bro. What, you think Ethan's hiding in one of these things?
Yeah. Why would you not be able to hide one of those things?
Because he weighs 115 kg, brother.
Things every time you go somewhere.
Oh my god! Oh my god, he's actually here!
Wait, really?
I
went out, bro. It's fucking hot.
Wait, really? Oh my god, I told you, bro!
Fuck you. Oh, it's fucking hot and humid in there.
He just said Ethan's 116 kg. He can't hide it here. He banged my door. He legit just banged my door.
Wait, could you not get out?
No,
Oh shit. So,
you missed the trick there, really.
I could have left him.
Right.
Screw it.
Back up, back up, back up.
Shit.
Lock him back in
We
there.
actually saved his life.
Fucking hell, it's a nice day, innit? Views from the cockpit. Fucking traffic, mate.
I respect the grind, I respect the grind.
I had to do it. Just to know what it was like, you know.
But I am sweating on this plane. Alright, so who's left? We've got Simon,
Simon,
Ethan,
Toby.
Toby.
I know where Simon and Toby are, but I'm not telling you.
I know for a fact then, and it's Ethan up in the
good shit.
bathroom upstairs. Because
not
someone's
snitching.
locked themselves in the bathroom upstairs, but so if you can, you know where Simon and Toby are. Alright.
Oh, it's really grim up in those, by the way. Wouldn't recommend. Not a good way to travel, bro.
Not 10 out of
Stick
10.
to buying seats.
Let me in! He's a shit!
If you're telling me Bazinga's in one of these things, I will lose my head.
Most of them are full, actually. I checked most of them.
Are they on the plane?
Are they on the? Well, don't say that because
Did you check outside the plane?
I hate you, JJ. Why are you so particular, man? Why can't you just assume that no one's there?
Yeah, that's just not me, bro.
My back hurts. I'm getting old now, guys. I'm 26.
Oh, by the way, Harry, I no longer know where Simon is.
Oh, okay.
He has moved.
They've moved.
He has
What are you
moved.
looking in?
I thought this could have like a person.
Do you think someone could have a person in there?
You never know. Toby,
it,
mate,
it's tiny.
Toby can contort into weird places, as you know.
I'm impressed this game has gone this long.
Oh shit. I don't know how I have this.
Feels like this plane's
Toby
crashed.
just-
On a hot
It's about one of your plane crash investigation documentaries you like.
Mate, this is taking me right back.
used to fly here. Now it's a
Come here, 50,000 people.
Across its life.
Oh, easy, yeah.
You know, I've actually been on this plane before. I can
Yeah.
roll some footage right now. I did a little paintball mission.
Oh,
to
okay.
save some hostages from this exact
Exact
plane. Like 6 years ago.
For real?
Yeah,
Jeez,
for real.
right.
I'll roll some footage in the vid.
It's me, Simon and Toby left. So, Toby's good though. Toby's good.
Oh shit, it's TV.
I don't think it works.
I think it's a
man.
sticker, lad.
Oh.
I can't lie.
Oh wait.
What the fuck?
Oh,
No,
yeah,
it's TV.
no, it's a sticker. It's a sticker. It's a sticker underneath the sticker. Look, you can see the corner. It's a sticker.
Just
See
saying.
They
that?
don't ruin the fun.
My guy thinks there's TV on a plane
Someone's
that's
ruining
been
the
left
fun,
in the
bro.
dirt for.
Oh, you got the TV on still, yeah?
I'm gonna get that person up in the top thing. I refuse to. I know they're there. I'm gonna get them out.
Why are they all in that toilet?
Genuinely, they could be, you know.
Well, just playing.
Mile High Club, bro. Mile High Club.
7 minutes of heaven.
Drinks, anyone? Drinks.
No, I'm good, thanks.
Seatbelts on, everyone. We landed shortly.
I think there were diseases in that carpet that I was lying on up in the
Disease.
up in the hold.
Where are you? We'll find you, I swear. If one of you pesky maggots is underneath these seats, I swear. I'll fuck you all up.
Still on my plane? Anyone in the toilet?
Nah, man, that was actually a great hiding spot. I just didn't expect you to.
Bro, I was
Were you in the back seat?
Bro, he just sat in the seat.
That could have been good. That could have
How
been
could that have been good?
Hide in plain sight. Toby did it.
Yeah.
But he was actually hidden, bro.
He actually hid in plain sight. He didn't just sit in plain sight.
The fuck?
Right, this toilet door's getting booted in, bro.
You can't do the door in.
Bro, I know there's people. They've gone. They've gone. They've gone. They've gone.
Oh
They've
no.
gone.
Wait,
They've
are
gone.
people allowed to
no.
run downstairs?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You think if people ran downstairs, we'd be on the other side of the plane?
Done me over.
Nah, mate. I don't think there was.
What about my toilet?
So they gone back in your hiding spot?
They
Do you reckon they went down the
run
stairs?
down the stairs.
And they've gone to the back of the
I'm
plane,
waiting for us
all of
to go
them.
to
I
the
bet they're all
back,
together. I bet they're all together, yeah.
I'm going out the plane.
Yo.
I'm gonna look at it from the outside and see if I see anything. Might see them in the
Look
window.
at the windows. Look at the windows.
Yeah, that's class, though.
Making that nigga
I
hair
just
work.
blocked the door.
You're a legend. You lot are so good, man. I never win these hide and seeks on my own. It's always a team effort.
It's just good.
Except
That was incredible, though. We were just talking about that.
My legs have gone numb. Testicles.
See anything suspicious out there?
I think you've been duped.
I've been heavily duped.
Alright, have fun, Captain.
Thank you. Love you. Bye.
I say just give up, bro.
Bro, I've got 3 people left. I can't give up. This is a shambles. I said before I started, if it takes more than 10 minutes to find them all as well, it's tragic for me, and I've actually flopped it.
Come on.
Is this you? Flexing for the ground?
Yeah, the first class up in the sky, you know?
Is that you?
Where's the champagne?
Well, have you seen the fake set in LA?
About that.
There's a fake private jet.
Oh, yeah,
have you
yeah,
seen
yeah.
it? And all the models go
ground.
and sit in it, and then they
Yeah, on the
post
jet
pics.
again, you know, jet set life.
Who was it? Was it Bow Wow or Bow Wow or whatever his name is?
Bow
I don't know. What's his name?
Bow Wow.
But I don't know.
Yeah, he put in a private jet and he said he was in the economy. And
Nigga said,
Yeah,
whoa,
he got tapped by like random people. They're like, you ain't first
Hey,
class.
alone, bro.
Man's got caught.
Oh. Well, Simon is not here. Told you.
Oh, you fucking bastard. Oh, you bastard, you bastard.
I told you.
I tried to go in there, and then my chest started locking up. Oi, 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 oi. Jeez.
You shut yourself, Philip.
I did. I thought something, because I think this plane's going to fall apart, that's why.
Nah, it's sturdy, look.
Yeah, okay.
Sturdy.
Oh my god, I did it. So claustrophobic right now.
FBI, open up!
Maybe if we just smash the door in.
Yeah, that seems like a good idea.
Uh,
Because we're going to keep getting filming locations.
Josh, I'm about to kick the door in.
No, you're not.
Well, then what the hell then? That's so fun.
Excuse me, sir, are you in here? We're about to land. You need to get back to your seats, sir. Sir, you need to get back to your seats. Stop having a shit.
Martin, the seatbelt sign is now illuminated. Please
Your
return to
shit's
your
gonna go
seat.
flying unless you get out of the fucking toilet! Ow, my hand. Give me a little unlock, come on. Let me smell your shit.
Oh.
I'm giving Harry some shit kudos.
Bez, he takes me saying, fuck off, you loser.
Oh.
So
he's definitely.
so is Bez in there.
Hey, Bez! No
Bez is in
GCR,
the
come
toilet.
on!
But let me kick the door in.
I can smell your shit from here!
Right, I'm gonna look elsewhere because I like.
I can do it.
We probably should have made a rule
Nigga
against
trying to
locking
kick the
yourself in
door.
the toilet. It's kind of hard to.
Let me
to
do
defeat.
it.
Unless there's nowhere in that toilet the whole time. We've just been stood here wasting time in our toilet. It is possible.
Someone just hiding in the toilet. They just locked it. I was making a joke. Okay? I was joking. That is not hide and seek.
Can you just pause the footage, please? And take this moment to subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Right. Play.
What a lovely day. I guess you could just hide here, innit? Or did we say you're not allowed to hide by the wheels?
Right. The traffic cone in there. That's his favourite. But
Hey.
the fuck. Alright. Enough is enough. Someone's in here.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Someone just opened it.
I didn't expect this to be this long. I thought this would be a quick job.
It's fucking boiling up here as well. Okay, so that was the one where Toby was hiding in. No one's there. No one's in this one again. That's where Josh was.
I think they may have left the plane.
They have to have left the plane, bro. They have to have left the plane.
Or they're all three in that one toilet.
Or not.
And they're having a great time.
There's no way they all go in. It's too hot for that.
It's like sardines.
What views?
There's no way. There's no way someone's here, right? No, that's just a bin bag. Fuck! Oh my
You're down
god.
bad, brother.
I'm down so bad.
I think you should do 7 rounds of this, huh?
I'm down so bad.
They're just hiding in plain sight, they just sat on a chair, not really.
I get it. Plain sight. See what you did there.
Plane.
I said the fucking joke.
What joke? Ah!
I'm actually
more than the toilet.
I'm human, I won't lie. Do you know where anyone is, though? Oh, you absolute whore. You whore.
You feel
Am I being an idiot, or is it a good hiding spot?
It's a really good.
It's a really good hiding spot. No! No! Do you know where they all are?
Just one.
Just one. Oh my god, no! No!
Oh, I'm so conflicted now.
No!
I'm so conflicted.
No, 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 no.
I want to see everyone win, but not everyone
No!
can win. Not everyone can win in this game, John.
Oh, I'm fuming. I'm actually fuming. I've been mugged off royally, and I'm just walking around the same area.
I can't fucking breathe.
I'll leave it open. I'll watch out for you.
I'm not fucking breathing.
Yeah, MVP for
I actually can't believe I've only found 4 people out of 7 on this small little plane.
damn, Mo.
I mean, it's not that small.
Yeah, but like compared to like other hide and seeks we've done, this is a minor one.
Yeah, it's
Or should be.
quite minor.
This is my guardian angel right here. This is what angels look like. If you've never seen an angel in real life, there you go.
Shall I walk? I'm gonna walk around outside. I'm gonna have
Oh,
to.
do you like to
You
hide
might have
outside?
to. You might have to look around.
I'm gonna walk around outside.
Because someone's in that bathroom in the back, right? 100%.
Oh my! You weren't there the whole time. You were not there the whole time.
God, bro!
I was trying not to bait him out that he was there.
My feet are asleep.
I was trying not to bait him
Oh,
out.
that's just his shirt.
God. I thought you saw me.
Yeah.
Oh, saw me.
I went around that way and I was like, oh, fuck this Simon.
You haven't moved.
No.
Bro, I've come up and down this aisle
Oh, I
like
know!
15 times.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
I know!
It was a good spot.
Fuck. What?
I just saw his head.
Cracking spot. I didn't even.
Both my feet have gone.
Jesus.
Was he the one that you knew where he was?
Did you never move?
No.
Mad.
I heard you say, like, I don't know where one of them is now.
I thought you were behind these seats, but no, they look similar.
Wow.
I've got 2 left still. I'm gonna go outside the plane. It's my
One's
only
in the
turn.
toilet right at the back, unless we're just tripping.
There's injuries, not.
Bro, he's not small. He's not. He shouldn't be able to hide this easily.
He's smaller than he used to be.
You sure he's not in his car?
I mean, that's actually not an awful shout. Let me have a look.
Alright.
I'm gonna check his car.
What? You think he's gonna be in his car?
I think he might be. You know.
That might
I think
be.
he might be.
Could be okay.
Well, at least I found Simon. I was honestly going insane.
Mr. Toby. Mr. Toby, I brought some friends to see you, sir.
No way.
I'm busy. I can't breathe.
No.
We don't know. We think he might be locked in the toilet at the back.
Where the hell is Ethan hid? Toby, he always wins. He's just crafty. Bez, this is a big performance, unless he is here. He's not there.
Ethan's just texted me saying he's under a food cabin. Should I give myself up for Ethan? I'll take a second place.
I think I had my head higher that time, because I've been in pain.
We did.
I think the rest can see your head.
Wait.
Right.
Wait.
Finally!
Fucking hell!
How'd you get in there?
That's just like the one in the house.
Bro,
Literally just lies down.
bro, he's taking the piss.
Bro,
You're bare small, you
Jesus,
know.
I think I've won. I think I've won. I think I've won. I think I've got my car. I think I've got my car.
I think Toby about to come out though.
Ethan! You've won!
Ethan, you won!
Is he even on the plane? Ethan!
Ethan?
They trying
Bro,
to.
I think we've been talking to a fucking brick wall this whole time. I don't think that. Bez, are you in there?
I'm gonna give myself up. I can't breathe. Ethan always nices me in these as well, so I actually have to return the favour so he can keep his car.
Do that shit.
One of these days we can do a Sidemen hide and seek, and we're never going to see one of the Sidemen
Yeah,
ever
yeah,
again. They're just
They've
gone.
actually died or something.
Well, that's a bit morbid, but.
Hello?
Are you with Harry?
Yeah. It's Toby. Yeah?
Give him the phone.
Give him the phone, put it on loudspeaker.
I said give him the phone.
Toby, hello.
Hello, mate. Everyone else knows where I am except you.
Oh no! Can I get
No
any
one knows
sort of
where
clue?
Ethan is, so I'm gonna tell you to come upstairs and have a look one last time, mate.
But boys, Ethan can't win. He can't win his own car.
I think he's actually gonna win his own car.
Hey, fair fuck to be honest.
It's only fair, isn't it? It's actually only fair. This is an A1 hiding spot, though.
Toby, I swear to all that's holy. Okay, look, one last time. It's so hot up here. He's got to have like heat stroke or something.
So you actually don't know where he is?
Ethan?
Yeah.
No.
Ethan, you've won!
Wait. Wait.
This is why you were laughing sat there.
Chill
wasn't it?
out,
You've
bro.
seen him up here.
Chill.
Is he in here?
Where are you?
Wait, Harry!
Hey, Harry!
Harry, come here!
Oh no.
Harry, quick! Harry, quick!
I found him!
Oh, like.
You son of a gun.
Harry, quick!
Quick!
Wait till you see where Ethan is. I can breathe.
Harry, he's here!
I'm coming.
Harry! I see him!
Where?
We're
Too
playing
late,
him!
bossy.
Where is he? Where is he? Down there.
It's just down there!
We went past, he laughed about the toilets.
You lot have me on. I know you have me on. I found Toby at least.
Okay.
Oh, I can't be arsed.
Just play it, yeah.
Yeah, Toby, right? He's found Toby.
Oh, he's found Toby.
Yeah, Toby's right there.
Oh, so it's
Oh.
up there.
You ruined that.
Oh.
Where's
Oh.
Ethan? Oh, who knows?
You don't know where he is still. That was peak, bro. You should have seen the little smile on Harry's face.
Yeah, Harry, we just baited you.
I know. I realised halfway down.
But, yeah, no.
Imagine if Toby had moved
He's actually
again.
banged it.
Yeah, I'm actually back.
Yeah, fair play.
Yeah, he did bang it, to be fair.
Yeah, he banged it too.
He really banged it.
Yeah. He has banged it.
Wait, so there's...
Is he down the hat?
Which one is he in?
He really banged it.
He's under a food cabinet. He has banged it too.
He was in there! He was in there!
Are you one? I can't breathe. I cannot breathe.
You're taking the piss,
How do you
bro.
not check the cupboard?
Bro, I checked it. I swear I checked the cupboards.
That shit
You got the whole
You would have
time.
seen it. No, what issue? You open this door and you can see in. You can't see the left side properly unless you look.
Who saw me?
Me and JJ. Doesn't
Yeah. No, I mean, someone opened it early doors.
Oh.
It was probably me, bro. It was probably me, but you. Well, you. I probably went like this, looked, saw that, and thought there's no way
Yeah,
someone's there.
so the door I
Oh yeah,
shut.
facts. Nigga got his car.
Yes, I won. And then someone come past and went, yes. And I was like, oh fuck. Sorry, Harry grabbed me like
He's won his
twice, bro.
GTI. He
Man,
kept
he's won his GTR.
Yes!
Come see. Fuck.
Fair play.
That is spacious compared to.
I said 10 minutes. I got to find everyone. It took me 45 minutes. I needed help. So no one was in the toilet the whole time. No one was in that toilet.
We spent a long time talking to that toilet. Oh. We spent a lot of time talking to an empty room.
I definitely did.
Oh my god! What, you came out of it?
I just came out now because I was done.
We made the whole fucking thing for it.
We could even baited the toilet out.
Imagine Toys just like, ah, you
Oh,
got
you
it.
got it.
Well done. What do you mean well done, bro?
Bro, you found. I was in
I
here.
texted Toby, I said, I'm keeping my car. Bro, I said, I'm keeping my car.
Oh, you own shit. You have a car.
What the fuck is that?
Just kiss off.
That ass?
I'm still keeping this car, B.
Like, comment, subscribe. Everybody's social media should pop up. Yeah. Respect yourself on top of that.
Yo, be safe, you heard?
Respect